The bull market is starting right now for XRP. The war is ending. It's ending right now. There is breaking news that we have to discuss. But literally, the bull market for XRP and cryptos is starting right now. And in this video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into what's going on, what you should do, where we are headed, and much more. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you are bullish on XRP and cryptos, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video. XRP and cryptos are skyrocketing right now. Bitcoin just tapped 73,000. Ethereum is pumping. XRP just hit $1.40. It is up today in just the past couple of hours, nearly 10%. This is because Iran and the US have agreed finally for the very first time to a ceasefire. Not only have they agreed to a ceasefire, Iran has agreed to open up the Strait of Hormuz. And on top of it, Iran says negotiations with the US will be held in Islamabad to finalize the details. Talks begin in 3 days from now, on April 10, on Friday, and may be extended if both sides agree. But essentially, guys, almost all of the various points of past contention have been agreed to between the United States and Iran. This is why the markets are skyrocketing. Bitcoin is going to break out. I believe the bottom is in for cryptos. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think the bottom is in. Let me know in the comments, guys. But this is the bottom. Look, Bitcoin has continued to form higher lows. Despite all the fear and FUD out there, cryptos have continued to hold strong, including XRP, guys. Look at how many times they tried to dump XRP, but it did not lose our gray box. This is an accumulation range. This is exactly what accumulation looks like. A period of 60 days, approximately, we've held this range. It just keeps chopping back and forth, back and forth. But you can see we pumped to 75K weeks ago because we thought the war was ending then. But no, this time it's actually real. It's actually happening. And if Bitcoin can sustain a move above $72,000, the market is going to skyrocket. Bitcoin, I believe, the next key level is going to be $98,000. And if that takes place, which I think could take place in the next several weeks, I believe XRP is going to come up and tap this resistance at $2.40. And that is a 74% move. Cryptos have been crashing for 6 months. And in January, what was this? January, cryptos crashed massively, and they are going to recover this dip. XRP is going to recover this dip. This is not financial advice, but mark my words. Mark my words. This is the time, probably the final opportunity to buy cryptos. But make sure you guys are in my community. We are making profitable trades on leverage and spot. We have some profits today. You guys can join my community for free. And I've also created a free course for you. Join the free community, or if you guys want to follow the trades right away, you're going to want to join the VIP access and the Whop, which is in my video description, guys. But XRP has bottomed, and XRP is going to start heading up from here. XRP is going to start heading up from here. XRP, if we zoom in here, is breaking out of this resistance. When this happens, guys, there's usually always a strong pump. And on top of it, we have all of this good news. Look at this stock market. Oh my gosh. The NASDAQ is up 3%. I've honestly never seen the NASDAQ up 3% in just the past couple of hours. If you take a look at the stock market, you take a look at oil, oil is collapsing. This tells you exactly what the market is thinking. And this is a massive risk on event. This war coming to an end, the ceasefire, is a massive risk on event. And this is just the first hurdle. We're getting past this first hurdle right now. Once we get past this first hurdle, guess what we have on April 16th? I believe it's the final meeting for the Clarity Act. And apparently now it's going to be on April 13th. The US Senate will return April 13th for further crypto market structure Clarity Act talks, signaling a possible May vote. So I guess the May vote is coming. The vote is going to officially be in May. And guess what also is happening in May, guys? Let me know in the comments below what you think is big happening in May. But what I can tell you is there's going to be a new Fed chair. There's going to be a new Fed chair, Trump's Fed chair, his golden Fed chair. And guess what? He is going to cut rates. With oil coming crashing down, with this war ending much sooner than people were anticipating, guys, do you know what's going to happen? inflation is going to come down. And when inflation comes down rapidly, the Fed is forced to cut rates. And at the same exact time, they're going to be printing money like never before. It's also midterm year. So you have the Clarity Act, a new Fed chair, rate cuts, surprise rate cuts. You have the end of the war and also the potential end of the war in Russia, Ukraine. This market is setting up for the most bullish market we will ever see. And we are in it right now. We are starting right now, guys. It's happening right before your very eyes, So me and my community, we are allocated. We are hold XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Fartcoins one, Pepe, Doge, Pengu. These are a couple of the coins that I'm holding and I am betting on them to make some big moves. Some experts think that we could see new all-time highs this year. I think that could be the case, but I think we're setting up for a massive pump here in the short term. I think the bull market is starting for cryptos right now. You're going to want to lock in. Make sure you guys are trading over on Blofin. This particular trade is up $13,000 today. It's a trade that I share with my community. And we can see my P&L is up $41,000. You're going to see the total value. That's because I withdrew $50,000. But I'm up $41,000 on leverage. You guys need to be trading leverage over on Blofin. They're going to give you guys, if you sign up with my link, VIP1, you're going to have the cheapest fees and up to a $9,000 deposit bonus. You're also going to want to be using AlgoSniper, my trading indicator. This thing will tell you exactly when to buy and sell before every major move. Look, you get a big buy alert here before XRP pump today. You guys can try today for free. Everything I'm talking about, you can try for free. The AlgoSniper, you can now try today for 30 days free. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.